try to get a POV of this wonderful BMW. I do have all systems off. Got our 9,000, almost 8,500 red line. I do have the Dynan tune on this for the intakes and the exhaust, which raise it, I think, 250 RPM, giving you just that little extra oomph. Beautiful day here in Rancho Santa Fe. We're on the Del Dios Highway. Nice little sweepers. It's getting not cold yet, but you can tell the weather's changing. Yesterday, or actually this morning, we had daylight savings time, which I think California is one of the only states that does this. Oh, Ben Franklin, you idiot. If you only knew. So yeah, it's a little POV action for this morning. Carbon's glistening. Car sounds wonderful. I've had a throttle actuator issue every now and then. I have my little Carly, so I just clear the code, and usually when the motor's warm, it stops. But I'm gonna have to get into it. The part's like $1,200, and it's about, I don't know, I'd say 3 to 4 hours of taking shit off and changing it, especially I haven't done it in a while. You know, I don't remember the last time I personally took my plenums off. This is probably before Nathan at Nathan's BMW workshop swapped the motor out for me. Yeah, so we've got 134,461 miles on the odometer. She is God, I want to say year 6 or 7 of ownership. I'd have to look at it, but I think I got this in 2017, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 2016, but maybe 2017 or 18. I don't know. Whatever sounds right. I know I've had this for about 6 or 7 years, maybe 8. And it's beautiful. I love the lines. You know, maybe it's just me, right? You can't say your kid's ugly. I mean, I guess you could, but most parents think their kid is beautiful. So that's how I feel about the Black Beast here. Let's see what else. Just lots of work. My heart's better. You know, I had a surgery last March on my heart. I had a hole in the upper chambers. They had to go in there and plug it up. And yeah, so just cruising along in the morning. Gonna go see my little boy. He wants to go to Kura Sushi. I want to kind of do dim sum. Not really a morning eater, but you know, I don't get to see my little boy super often. So when I do, you know, hey, whatever he likes. And that's not being spoiled. That's just being, you know, a father that loves his boy. You know, his happiness is my happiness. Other than that, they're still draining this Del Dios Dam, Lake Hodges, to do repairs on it. But, you know, there's still a lot of water in there. I'm not sure how long that's going to go. When they started draining this fucking lake, we had 2 back-to-back years of heavy rain. So that did them no good. Yeah, but this is a nice little side highway. Obviously, this cooling off, you get the clouds and the overcast, and just nice, decent weather. You know, you go outside of Rancho Santa Fe, and it's hot. You're like, wow, God hates other parts of San Diego more than Rancho Santa Fe. It's just always beautiful and nice, and the weather and the offshore breeze. But enough of me rambling. Happy Sunday. It's November 2nd, 2025. Oh, that was a nice looking Cobra, I think. Just caught my eye. But we do have a car show every Saturday, unless it's raining. everybody. Have a happy Sunday. Cheers.